Hi everyone, this is me Vivian in Hairstyle channel, and today's video is very special. I don't know if you've seen my previous video about get to know me, where I'm from, and many people ask me which language do I speak. I do speak actually 6 languages. That's because I've moved around a lot, and yeah, because of many other reasons, like the war, because actually I'm Assyrian Aramaic. I was born in Iraq, so as many people know, we've had many wars there. So as a young child, I had to move to another country for my own safety and my family. So yeah, I do speak, the first language I speak, my mother language, that's Aramaic, Assyrian, and then in Iraq I went to school, so I learned Arabic, so that's already 2 languages. And then in a very young age I moved to Europe, and it was in Holland, so I speak Dutch. And because Dutch and Belgium is very similar, so I do speak also Flemish, so that's already 4 languages. And then in school, they ask you in Holland if you want to choose between the English, Germans or France, and I took the English because as a young child, I remember my dad always, God bless him, he's not here around us anymore, but he used to say, if you have to choose a language, always take the English because it's very international. That's why I chose the English. And also as a teenager, I always wanted to understand what the music is saying. Everyone is hearing the music, and if you watch movies till today in Holland, they subtitle it, they don't translate it, so you really did need the English. And young people in Holland, they all, like from the age 10 years, they speak perfect English because of that. So everyone, like from very young age, we learned the English. So yeah, it was like first of all for my dad, and second for my own, for the music and for the movies, to understand everything. So that's already Arabic, Assyrian, Aramaic, Dutch, Flemish, and English, 5 languages. And then now we are here in Spain, so I speak Spanish, sí, hablo español también. So that's already 6 languages. So yeah, many people ask me if I could do multiply videos with different languages. So yeah, I will start to do that for the Arabic people. إن شاء الله قريبا جدا أسويكم أفلام بالعربية للشعر، للمكياج، للملابس. I hope you will understand my Arabic because I didn't use it for years, so bear with me. It will be mixed between like Iraqi accent, Lebanese, and Egyptian, because I do like the Egyptian movies and stories, and I do read a lot. If I have the time, I do watch movies. So it's like mix of everything, and then I will put them all together, but I will really try to do it in Iraqi accent. So اللهجة العراقية إن شاء الله إن شاء الله تعجبكم. And it's actually more the videos I'm doing is more for hair technically, and for clothing, for makeup, so it will be accessible for everyone because you're gonna see what I'm doing, just like what I did years ago in my Aramaic Assyrian language, so everyone could still see the video and still understand it. They still comment in English or Arabic or Aramaic, so it's accessible for everyone. It's just like I'm talking in different language. So I want to have like I want to make it for everyone accessible, but also so for people who doesn't understand English, or like people don't understand Dutch, or you know, so I can put them all together, their own special moments. And yeah, so in the near future, hopefully you're gonna see more of me in different languages, 6 languages. So yeah, thank you very much. شكرا كتير. شاركوني، ساعدوني نكون عائلة كبيرة هنا. Thank you very much. Help us. Let's become a big international family out here. And yeah, please subscribe. Tell your friends, your family to subscribe. Let's be a big family out here with multi-international people. Let's bring everyone together. Muchas gracias. And you see, yeah, I hope you will like it. I love you. أحبكم كتير كتير. شكرا كتير. Thank you for watching. Hasta pronto. Muchas gracias. Te quiero mucho. See you later. Thank you very much. بسيمة رابع. خزنا قربة دانا. See you next time, next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.